Hey guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. If you own an 01 to 10 GM with a 6.6 Duramax and your truck feels rough or noisy on the road, this is something you definitely want to check out. This is the PPE High Performance Engine Mount Kits. Engine mounts hold your engine to the frame, keeping everything stable and absorbing vibrations so you don't feel it in the cab. Factory mounts wear out over time, and when they do, you'll feel more vibration, engine movement, and overall a rougher ride. These upgraded mounts hold the engine tighter in the chassis, reducing unwanted movements and smoothing out vibrations. They use heavy-duty silicone bushings instead of soft rubber. The silicone controls how much the engine can move while still absorbing vibration and heat. PPE offers a variety of firmness options depending on how you use your truck. Blue will give you the softest, smoothest ride. Green will be OEM-like, giving a good balance of comfort and control. Yellow is more firm and better for trucks that have been tuned or towed. Lastly, red will be the stiffest for maximum engine control for performance or race setups. Basically, the softer the compound, the more comfort the truck will have. Firmer means more control and less engine movement. If you want a tighter, more solid feel to your Duramax, these mounts help you dial in exactly how smooth or stiff you want your setup to be. Get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.